Want to move your Instagram posts and stories to Google Photos? Here's how in 1 minute. You'll need your Instagram account, access to the email on file, and enough Google storage. Open Instagram, tap your profile, then the 3-line menu to open Settings. Go to Security, then Download Data, and tap Request Download. Enter the email address you can access, select Media Included, and confirm with your password. Instagram will prepare your archive and email a download link. This can take minutes to hours. Open the email on the device you'll use, and tap the download link from Instagram. Save and unzip the archive to reveal folders labeled Photos, Stories, and Posts. Open Google Photos, tap Upload or the New button to add photos and videos. Select the extracted photo and story folders, then start the upload and watch the progress bar. When the upload finishes, check Albums and Library to confirm posts and stories are stored. That's it. Consider Google Takeout for full exports, and double-check privacy settings for your backups.